So I've looked for years and years to find a dentist that could fix my bite, and I was referred to Dr. Hornbrook by a orthodontist in Chula Vista, and he was the answer I'd been looking for 30 plus years. Dr. Hornbrook is such a kind and gentle and talented dentist. I've never worked with anybody that was that knowledgeable and entertaining while he's repairing your teeth. He's just makes dental work a nice experience. My favorite amenity in this office has to be the aquarium in the entry, the living aquarium. I've never seen one like it before, and it just completely relaxes me when I get here and mesmerizes me at the same time. The level of care from this office is so much better than I've ever experienced. Dr. Hornbrook completely redid all of my mouth. He's replaced my teeth with crowns and veneers and done dental repair work and hygiene. So I think I've experienced pretty much everything they have to offer here, including an implant. He gave me a beautiful smile, which is what I'd wanted.